Hello guys, today I'm going to be making a quick little video on this bad boy, which is a Triumph off-road exhaust, also known as a TOR, TOR for short. Basically what it is just a stock muffler with no catalytic converters in it. So it's just picking it up, it's a ton lighter, and it should sound a lot better. So I'm going to be making a quick little test just using an app that measures sound in decibels. As you can see, my speak ends around 60, and then there's wind and air conditioning is going. So I'm going to be testing how loud the stock can is, then I'm going to compare it to the off-road can, and we'll see the difference. I'm going to do it from around 3 feet, which is the standard test. With the stock can on, and it was hovering right around 88 decibels, which this might be a little off since it's just an app's not an actual sound meter, but yeah, 88 decibels constant, and supposed to not sound louder than 88 or 80 decibels. So I guess that's in the ballpark. Now I'm gonna remove all the luggage, all the stuff, stock can, stick on this off-road can, and we'll see the difference. Now if you guys are wondering, how do you tell if you have an off-road can or not, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it'll say not for road use on the bottom. The stock ones will just say this complies to yada 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 80 decibels stuff. So yeah, let's get on with it, and let's replace this can. Alright, so now everything's off the bike. We got the stock can over here. Oh god, that's heavy. And I've got the TOR over here. As you can see, they look identical from the outside, but I can tell you right now, this thing is twice, if not 3 times heavier than this can. Holy crap. The only difference, like I said, is that little stamp in the bottom. That's it. Damn, this thing's heavy. Here's the TOR, looks exactly the same. I'm gonna throw it on there. Whoa, heavy. Not. This is paperweight compared to that thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna replace this thing because it looks pretty gross. And yeah, just throw it back on there. Don't forget to use your little washer that probably got stuck to the exhaust. And these rubber feet, don't lose them or it'll rattle around like crazy. Also, if you have a 05 or 06, they do not come with pre-catalyzers in the mid pipe, which is the one that runs down into the headers. If you have an 07 on, they have like a bulge in the middle. You better check it, because you might need this off-road can and a new mid-pipe without the catalyzer, or without the pre-cat. Otherwise, when you go to upload the tune for the off-road can, you're just going to be throwing too much fuel into the pre-cat and you're just going to clog it. So if it's 07 on, you better make sure you don't have a pre-catalyzer in the mid-pipe. If it's 05 or 06, you're safe. So yeah, let's get on with putting this bad boy on. Alright, now I'm back. Off-road exhaust is on now. As you can see, the bike looks exactly the same as it did before, which is a good thing if you have nosy cops around your area. We're going to look at that aftermarket. I got the sound meter in the exact same place as it was before. It's reading 66 decibels with me just talking. It was reading 88, revving up the engine, and around 82-ish idle. So let's see how it does with the upward exhaust. I'm also going to be recording it with a stereo sound recorder, and I'll put that into the videos just so you can get an idea for how the upward exhaust sounds. So, sound meter was recording around 94 at idle, which was almost 14 decibels higher than stock. And if you know about sound, then you know that it's not exactly a linear curve, it's more like exponential. So as you go up, it just sounds exponentially louder to you. So yeah, I'll put this in the video. Definitely sounds meaner, throatier. It sounds like an aftermarket pipe, but it's not as obnoxious. So yeah, I got this off a salvage yard for 90 bucks chipped, which is pretty cheap considering it was 500 bucks the dealer. So, and I do like the 3 pipe outlet that comes stock with the Triumph, as opposed to just the circular pipe. Makes it look like a regular jet bike. So yeah, you guys have fun. Oh, one more thing I gotta do is upload a tune for it, which is very easy with Tune ECU. What you do is get one of these bad boys, around 10 bucks on eBay. You download this free program called Tune ECU. You can use it for Triumphs, KTMs, I think Benelli's, maybe Aprilias, I'm not sure about Aprilias, definitely KTM and Triumph. You can download your maps, tune maps, diagnostics, anything for $10. So it's pretty easy. Please don't go to your dealer. They will charge you 37 bucks just to upload a map into your bike. It takes 5 minutes with this cable. You just hook it up. It's in your glove box. You just hook this up, hook it up to a computer, download it. Easy as cake. So save yourself some bucks, buy one of these cables if you have a Triumph or KTM. And yeah, I might do a video on that. Let me know whether you guys want to see it or not. So thanks for watching.